Recording the sewer line here at 15251 22nd Avenue Southwest here in Burien. The date is July 28th, 2021. Making this recording from the cleanout in the basement of the home. Black ABS cleanout about waist high further back in the basement. What you're looking at there is where I believe we're dropping into septic, or the line's taking a turn to start heading towards septic. It's down towards the bottom of the hedges. There's a row of like laurel hedges, and we're about 2 feet deep in those laurels there. So I'm going to come back from that point. I'm going to get as best a look at this line as I can. Alright, continuing the recording. Looks like that may be something connecting to the sewer at the top there, the way that grease is kind of hanging. I'm going to go locate this spot real quick. Continuing the recording now. It's located just outside the house, about a little bit under 2 feet deep. And there we should be coming back into the foundation of the house right here. I'm going to go locate this spot, just the last final locate. Okay, resuming the recording again. Just under the wall, yeah, foundation area of the house there. Now we're coming back through the piping that runs underneath the floor here in the basement. I'm going to end the recording there.